ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite Mr. Prakash Patel, Managing Director, Bhumi World Industrial Park.
Thank you, Chandrakan ji, my role model of my life, and he used good energy for my vision, which is for plug-and-play industrial park in India. So basically, I want to share my views about the industrial. If somebody wants to set up his industrial unit in India, he has to go to state government for the asking of the land, take the allotment, will go for the plant pass, construct his factory, then he start manufacturing the product. It takes 3-4 years. So now the product life cycle is very much less. Now people want to start any manufacturing unit in very shortest time. I will give you one good example. The biggest 2 IPOs came, Nykaa and Zomato. So these are my customers. So they wanted to start his manufacturing in 3 months, in 90 days. So they came in the month of October. They were having some big sale on the January, and he wanted to start it in the 1st January. It happened because we had the ready plug-and-play unit with us to facilitate their production line. Now the thing is, in India there are lots of people who want to start this manufacturing unit, and it requires lots of efforts to start because there are lots of manufacturing people here. They know the struggle of starting any manufacturing unit. Lots of things in the government line for the permissions and everything takes time. Now the opportunity which I see in India is lots of imports have been very much late because of the lots of fuel pricing going up and all. And India is having big opportunity for the SME to cater his own population, his own country for the consumption. And in India there are lots of opportunity for the manufacturing things in India it requires. Now why plug-and-play industrial park? So we have already made one industrial park which is having 1,600 industrial units, which is from printing, plastic, engineering, ready-made garment, food, pharma, gold jewelry, silver jewelry, furniture, furnishing, electronics, almost all the products it is manufactured there, and which all having lots of support system to them. Now in the pandemic there are lots of mass manufacturing was in the trend. Like a lot, we were really importing the mass from the China and other countries, and we had a ready plug-and-play unit. We started 40 industrial units of mass in almost 45 days, and after 3-4 months we started exports, and we made India self-sustainable for the mass manufacturing. There are lots of the things I want to share, Chandrakan ji, and from your help I want to convey to lots of state governments that state government also should start ready plug-and-play unit, because now the product life cycle is not 3-4 years, 5 years. It's being shrink to 1 year. If somebody wants to start any product or market any product, he has very shortest time, because product gets changed, product gets innovated every year. So people want to start. So from your medium, I want to share to all states and state governments to start giving ready plug-and-play units to all the consumers. Now in India, 40 lakh units are required in India for SME who wants a space from 1,000 square feet to 1 lakh square feet. In SME sector, there are lots of people know about some categories like printing, plastic, engineering, ready-made garment and all. But there are lots of products, startup, they have come up and they want space immediately because of their idea. One startup in my industrial park is making Pani Puri ka puri, and he is making 5 lakh puri per day and supplying all Bombay. So this is kind of manufacturing SME people are going and making new products in the manufacturing sector and setting the benchmark for their production lines. So it is very good initiative after pandemic, and lots of SMEs and people wants to know about the SME sector, where going. And thank you Chandrakan ji for giving the opportunity to come all on the one platform and giving us the opportunity and explain about the SME and what is the opportunity of that. Thank you very much.
Sir, one question for Bhumi also, Bhumi Industries.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, do you have any environmental compliances, like if you want to set up one, a product line which is new waste management? So, do you have some criteria when it comes to industries where?
Without that, government is not permitting to
Yeah,
manufacture
exactly.
this.
So, what about?
You want to say
Basically,
something?
yeah, basically it is, so basically it is like anyone want to set up his factory, he has to own set up his environmental things in his factory only. So whatever MPCB concern is required for the setting of industry, so he has to take the permission, he has to comply with all the necessary requirement of the MPCB in his unit, and he can start his unit. So the particularly the environment for the project it is taken, but for the all the products which is very different from the sector to sector.
Correct.
So whatever sector he is into, whatever product is manufacturing, so that product is manufacturing, that compliance he has to take care of in his own factory.
So, we get the compliance. What do you find?
Yeah, it's already 1,600 factories running, from which plastics are 350 factories, and from printing, so there are lots of people who has got the permissions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.